Okay, why don't we get started? Hello, everyone. My name is Tom Duffy, and I'd like to welcome you to this conference on synchrotrons and geochemistry, a workshop for novices and experts. I'd like to start by thanking Peter Heaney and the organizing committee for the workshop, who have put together a really interesting program. We had a great day yesterday, and we're looking forward to equally interesting and excellent talks today as well. I'd also like to thank Charlie Smith from Jesse Cars and Argonne staff for their excellent technical support of this conference. Synchrotron X-ray facilities are a really powerful and important toolkit for studying the properties of materials and of growing importance across many disciplines in the geosciences. As many of you are aware now, just a few days ago, NSF released a new proposal solicitation for community facility support of synchrotron-based analytical capabilities for earth and environmental sciences. This is a great opportunity for our communities to build on existing organizations such as Compress and Jesse Cars and expand to further support and develop synchrotron capabilities across a wide range of earth science disciplines. I'm currently chairing a steering committee that aims to represent the broader geoscience community in responding to this solicitation. And this workshop is an important step in that process by highlighting the progress and opportunities in synchrotron geochemistry. And during the day today, we'll be hearing from NSF staff about the new initiative. This is just one of several activities, many activities that we have either carried out or planning to carry out to help organize ourselves in the community and develop a very broad, exciting, far-reaching proposal. So I urge you to visit our webpage, which we'll post to find out more about this effort, and we welcome the comments, suggestions, and input from the community. There will be more opportunities for you to participate and get involved in the coming months as we develop this. So as we get started here, I have a few notes. First of all, number one, I hope people have had a chance to respond to the pre-workshop poll. If you haven't, please do so. We've already got more than 100 responses. We'd like to get more, and that will eventually, a link to that will be posted in the chat here eventually. Secondly, I'd like to remind everyone that there's going to be a roundtable discussion at 4:10 Eastern time today. So we hope to have some interesting discussion and get a lot of input during that session. So I hope you can participate in that as well. And then thirdly, finally, and very importantly, there's an addition to the schedule. So at 1 p.m. Eastern time, Russ Kells from the Instrumentation and Facility Program at NSF will give us a short presentation about the solicitation for the new synchrotron management organization. So that's not listed on the schedule that was sent out. So please make a note of that, and please plan to be present for that. So with that, I will turn it over to Paul Fenter from A&L, who will be the session chair for the morning session. Paul.
Great. Thank you, Tom. This is so I would just reiterate, we had a great day yesterday and many talks today. It'll be important to stay on schedule, especially with the addition of the talk by Russ Kells just before lunch. So I'll turn my screen on at 2 minutes before the nominal presentation time is over.